Attention please. Train number 10201 Goods Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 1. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number
Karthik, we're all set for the big stunt scene today. The car's driver is prepped and ready to go. We've got the cameras in place, and everything is set to capture this epic jump over the burning train. Excellent, Karthik.
Master, I've double-checked the safety measures for the stunt. I'll drive the burning train at a steady speed, and the car should have enough room to make that jump safely.
Remember, safety first. I want both you and the stunt driver to be absolutely secure during this stunt.